Hi, it's Kerry. Today I've chosen some of my favourite farm animals. This is the rabbit hutch. There's the ramps and I'm opening the doors. We'll open the door to the stable and let's remove some of the roof to make more room. We have a surprise egg today. This is a garlic rooster. And here's another rooster. This is a classic sow with piglets. I think it's just beautiful. You can see the 4 piglets there suckling their mother. She looks quite happy and contented. Can you tell me how many baby rabbits in today's video? Female pig, this is a Yorkshire sow. She's had babies and you can see she has milk there ready for her babies. She has a different shaped tail and downward pointing ears. Here are my 2 piglets. The Yorkshire piglet is on the right, closest to the rabbit hutch. Another rooster with that wonderful comb and beautiful tail feathers. Look at the detail on the feet there. This is a hen. She has some chicks to look after. Another rooster. The rooster is the male. A white swan and her 3 cygnets. They're sitting on her back taking a ride through the water. And here we have a duck. And here's another duck. And here's some baby ducklings. There's 5 of them there. This is my border collie Sam. He loves rounding up the sheep. He's a really good farm dog. I'm just popping my goat in. I'll show you her baby. This is a baby domestic goat. I've put a bell around her neck so I can find her if she gets lost. This is a wild rabbit. Notice the big long ears. This is a brown and white rabbit. Rabbits like to eat things like broccoli and lettuce. The baby rabbits, how cute is that? They've got some leaves to eat. This is a mallard duck. This is a simmental cow. Notice the horns she's got. And this is my shepherd Rod. He keeps a good eye on the sheep and helps with the cows as well. This is my simmental baby calf. This is the cemental bull. And now for the surprise egg. I wonder what farm animal is in here. It's a turkey. These are our new kittens at the farm. Aren't they beautiful? This is the mother cat. This is the father cat. Piebald calf. Piebald cow. Notice the horns on top of her head. This is my helper Tom. He helps with milking the cows. This is a male sheep called a ram. Notice the long rounded horns. This merino sheep is a ewe. That's the female of the species. They are known for their fine wool, which is used for making lots of jumpers and scarves. This is my helper Rebecca. She loves working with the sheep. She's really good with the young lambs. And this is my baby merino lamb. These are my new chickens. Here's the others. I've actually got 10 of them. And here is one of the mother hens. And this is the other mother hen. I've bought some food for the animals. This is a hay bale. And here in my feeding troughs, I have some vegetables and leaves and fruit for the animals. This is my Frisian bull. This is my Frisian calf. Lots of interesting animals today. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Subscribe and like if you like farm animals. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.